Hello everyone, welcome back. I would say hello my alien students and human students. Alien students for those who are my students and human students who are new to this class. Welcome everybody. Okay, so today actually this class is going to be a very small class. A class slightly fast because I have a class coming up in a couple of minutes. And one of my students, 1 minute, okay, she sent a message that John, I need help, and I promised her that I will do it today. Problem, I forgot which question she asked. It was a homework question. 1 minute, okay. John, yeah. Okay, question number 8. Okay, question number 8. Okay, so today what we're going to do is I'm going to just solve one of the homework question number 8. Okay, so what I'll do is first I will just start a new drawing. Click start. Okay, this is step number 1. We are in AutoCAD. Okay. Okay, after that, rule number 1, first check the units, isn't it? Done, check the units. Okay, so before we check the units, I need to see the drawing, isn't it? So let me go to the session 1, question number 8. Okay, alien question. Okay, so this is the homework, isn't it? Or I never said rotate anti-clockwise. Anyway, okay, so this is the homework, isn't it? The homework is to complete this drawing. Okay, John, can you please help me with this? Okay, no worries. So we will start with this drawing. Okay, see, there are two ways to do this drawing. Okay, so I see the drawing is in millimeter. Everything is in millimeter, metric units. Things look good. Precision is 0. I think precision is 0. Yeah, and then we say okay. Okay, see, there are two ways to do it. Okay, one, you can do this, which I would like to print it, but for some reason I cannot find my printer. No excuses here. Anyway, so that's the story. We want to draw this drawing. Okay, one option would be, okay, this is another option. Go to the insert tab. Okay, link PDF. We said question number 7, alien drawing. Okay, click open. And then I would say rotate 90 degree, isn't it? Because it's not rotated. You know, AutoCAD likes to go anti-clockwise. Couple of classes before I taught you this. Okay, click. Everything looks good. Say welcome to alien planet. Okay, this is one way to insert the drawing. Okay, this is one way. You just drop that. Okay, so let's do this as the story. We first check the units. Everything looks good. Let's start. Okay, so the first thing I always tell my students, or always recommend, drawing the biggest or the largest object first. We're going to finish this drawing in a couple of minutes. Maybe in 5-10 minutes we should finish this drawing completely. Okay, so the rectangle, the first outermost rectangle, it looks like it is 20,000 by 10,000, isn't it? The length, this is called the length of the rectangle. The other one is the width of the rectangle. So if let's start rectangle. Type rectangle. Okay, specify any point and then do something like this. Okay, we said 20,000. No, they said 2 and 20 and 3 zeros, isn't it? Then we can press comma or we press tab, and we said 10 and then 3 zeros, isn't it? Perfect. Double click. You would see your beautiful rectangle, isn't it? Okay, what I like to do is I just move this somewhere in the center, isn't it? This looks good. Okay, this is done. So the outer rectangle is over. Okay, beautiful. We need to know the thickness of the very good. It is 300 millimeter, isn't it? So what you do is something called as offset. Okay, enter, specify the distance. You would say 300. Select the object. Say done, isn't it? Okay, this much is done now. See, there are different methods to do this now. Okay, moving forward we can do in different methods. Okay, for me now is time is constrained, and I would like to do it in one of the most efficient manner. Okay, now let's say we are at this corner. Let's do this, and then I think it's the same thing. The mirror, isn't it? We can do it. Okay, so we are here. So what's the dimensions of this rectangle? It is 4,100 and 3,600, isn't it? So think better to do this. Okay, we draw a rectangle, okay, from this corner. Okay, what I said was, I think it was 4100. I think next time I should have printed this 3600, isn't it? You say enter. Okay, this guy likes to play it that side. We just do something called, we can do it many ways. I would say move it. Why make headache? This point to this point. So first room is over. I think 4100 by 3600. Just double check. Beautiful. Excellent. You said 3600. Yeah. Okay. Now I believe the thickness of the wall is 100 millimeter. Okay. See, now what we can do is, in two ways we can do it. Okay, we can create another room, or see this, like to play offset. Okay, there is another alien trick. I'll just teach you in the class that alien trick, but for now this is a block, isn't it? This is a rectangle. Something called as explode. Click explode, select this and tell him adios. Okay, so now this is a separate object, isn't it? So we say offset, how much? 100 here and here, isn't it? This room is done. We can do something called as fillet. Done. So one room is beautifully done. Okay, now from this corner it is 6000 by 3600. 6000 by 3000. Yeah. Click shift end point, go here. We said 6000, huh? Yeah, 6000 by how much? 30,100, 3600. Okay, he is going upwards. Actually, I never do this method. Okay, in the next rectangle, I show you what I do. Okay. Okay, this is done. Okay, this is done. I think they are all the same type of what was this called, rooms, isn't it? The same dimensions. Very good. What we can do is, again, we can offset it, isn't it? Offset it. Offset by how much? 100. Okay, good. Coming out. Okay, so this is extra line, isn't it? That will cause confusion. Say trim. Okay, it's like having haircut. For the procedure for trim, I have given in the class notes, isn't it? If you want, I will have another class on trim. I have not taught you trim so far, but just for to solve this homework. This looks good, no? Yeah, perfect. Okay, now what we will do? This is over. I think this is copy of the same dimensions, isn't it? So what we will do, 1 minute, okay, 6000, I think we can copy this, isn't it? We can copy this room. Okay, copy this room. We can say this point will remain this point, isn't it? If you want, double check the dimensions. This to this 6000, perfect. Perfect. Just trim that. Yeah, looks good. Better to trim as you move forward. No? This looks half of the room is done. Okay, now let's just check if it is 3000. Should be 3000. John, you are alien. Yeah, thank you. Okay, now what we can do is, we need to extend this completely, isn't it? What we'll do, the command is extend, isn't it? This is problem, it is one object, isn't it? So we say explode. Okay, we shall on F8 done. Okay, even for this guy, same story. Or do you think drawing a line would be more faster? Okay. And then we say trim. I hope this much is clear. So now what we can do is, we like to do a line, isn't it, from the midpoint. Okay, now there is a lot of questions have come from this discussion. John, how do you draw a center line, a hidden line? It's the center line mark. Different methods are there. One of the most easiest method is select the line, press Ctrl 1 or right click properties. Okay, anything, you can go how you like, you move forward. Okay, it's the line type. Click here, load, not loaded, isn't it? So what we do is, where is it? Yeah, line type. This is the line type, isn't it? Click here, go other. He says you do not have other. Say load it. From where you will load? Let's say we want hidden. Where is H? Type hidden. Okay, or center line. Beautiful. Just click this. He will come and say use as current and say thank you. Okay. Okay, not clear. We have to change it to line type to what? Current, center. Okay, now sometimes this is if I zoom only I can see it, otherwise I cannot see it. What I will do is select this, change the scale, let's say 1.5, better, isn't it? Select this, change it to, let's say 3. Okay, I think that will increase the scale to 10. This looks better. This is my center line. Let me just change it to a color. Okay, now what we will do, we will just mirror the top thing, bottom, isn't it? And then rub it. Half of the thing is done, isn't it? Select this, mirror MI, this point to this point. Do you want to erase the source? No, I want the top part. Okay, now what I will do is, I show you one trick here. Okay, we need this room, isn't it? Let's see, fillet this guy and this guy and tell him thank you for coming, isn't it? I hope this much is clear now. Okay, we finished half of the drawing. We have at least another 3-4 minutes to complete this class. Excellent. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to do the door, isn't it? Do the door. Okay, we see it is about 100. Everywhere is 100. 100, what are? How do we do it? Okay, I see. Oops, sorry. What is this? Okay, what we can do is we can do many things. Okay, we can do something called as rectangle. We learn rectangle, isn't it? Dimensions. We said how much? 100, isn't it? Length is 100, width is also 100. Okay, now you will understand. Yeah, see, this is the beauty of this method. Okay, he thinks we have to be in center line, it should be continuous. So what we can do is just tell him copy everywhere you want to keep him, isn't it? Is the door there or where? Yeah, perfect. Another door here, another, yeah. This I think we can mirror it down. What do you say? And then we have the length of the door is 900 millimeter. So rectangle, click this point, dimension, length 900, width 100. Beautiful, beautiful, very good. Okay, this is where we'll have the opening, isn't it? Then what we can do is just draw a line from this point going up 900. Okay, one of the most easiest thing is to do it. I think I did a mistake of making it as keep it continuous. Okay, so this all will say you all will become continuous. Okay, thank you for that. Okay, so this is what we wanted, isn't it? Okay, I want to mirror it, isn't it? Midpoint between 2 points, this point and this point, tell him this. Yes. Oh no, sorry. Thing is, for me time is running, that's the thing. Okay, select this 2 points. We need it midpoint between 2 points. Yeah, perfect. Do you want to erase? No. Okay, so what we have done is we have done something like this, isn't it? We have created the opening. Isn't it? Yes, we have created the opening. We can do different methods now. We need to create one more. I think what I have done is I like to do it, just undoing. Okay, sorry. I would just do something like this. What do you think? Mirror it or what? I think we will mirror it. Mirror is good. Okay, any 2 points? No. Did I do something nonsense? I think yes. Select this door. The thing is, time is running. Okay, I think we will do the remaining part in part 2. Okay, take care. I hope you enjoyed this class. Sorry for speaking a bit too fast today. Remaining we will continue in the next class. Okay, thank you.